Let us tell you that the new BMW 7 Series is a sedan that has a modern design with advanced technology and safety features. And the new BMW 7 Series get a new design with a more impressive and attractive new front grille and a longer front bonnet. Interior. It gets a more luxurious interior design with two large and upgraded infotainment touchscreen display, which provides an amazing look to the passenger and drive while driving. Its interior is the best and futuristic design, as you can see in the pictures of the interior given below. Engine. The 2024 BMW 7 Series 750 is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six cylinder engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system that produces 375 HP and 398 lb-Vd of torque. This powertrain comes with a made to an 8-speed automatic transmission and a rear-wheel drivetrain. 2024 BMW 7 release date and price. BMW will release the 7 Series as a 2024 model in early 2024, and its booking can start by the end of 2023, and prices for all trims start from $94,700 to $116,400.